Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Everyday channel, and today I'm reviewing a laptop called HP NV15 2021. It's not the X360, but it is a clamshell one, and it was released 10th August 2021, which is around 2 days before or 3 days before. And when we go to the review, it is a Windows 10 home laptop with a 15.6-inch display, and it is having the resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, and it is powered by the Core i7 processor. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 802.11 A by E by G by N by AC. It is having Wi-Fi, and it is coming with the HDMI port, multi-card slot, headphone, mic combo jack ports. And when you talk about the price, as of 12th August 2021, which is yesterday, the price of yesterday of this laptop in India is starting rupees 1,54,990, and it is launched in India, and weight is around 2.15 kilograms. Then processor is Core i7. Then model name is NV15, series is NV, dimensions 236.8 by 357.9 by 18.45, and battery life up to 16.5 hours, battery capacity is 83 watt hour, and battery cell is 6, and it's 15.6 inch. As I told in the title only, it's HP NV15, so it is 15.6 inch. And Intel Core i7 11th generation 11800H series processor. And oh, when we talk about the inputs, the webcam is 720 pixels, pointer device is touchpad, backlight keyboard is there, touchpad is there, internal mic is there, speakers are two of them, fingerprint sensor is also there. And the ports and slots, HDMI port is standard one, multi-card slot is there, one micro SD card reader, and then a headphone and mic combo jack. And yep, that's all with this review of this laptop. So if you want more reviews of laptops, tablets, phones like this, please subscribe to this channel, which is tech every day also. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.